Here's a short tutorial on the QMotion shades. This is a remote control. It's magnetic, so it sits on a wall plate, but it can be pulled off and carried around. It has 5 channels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have a channel button, CH. Each time you push the channel button, it will advance to a channel. So if I press it, I'm on channel 2, I'm on channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, and if I hit it one more time, it will command all 5 channels. So I'm going to go back to channel 1. Now what is channel 1? I flip over the back, and I have a list. Channel 1 is the west shades. Channel 1 is the west shades. Channel 2 is the north shades. Channel 3 is the east shades. Channel 4, I've just voluntarily set it up for the west 2 shades that are near the sitting areas. And then channel 5 is for the big window. And of course, if you press after channel 5 and it hits all of them, then it will control all of the windows, west, north, and east together. So once I've selected my channel, which was channel 1, is what I selected a moment ago, you'll notice that the light goes out. That's a battery savings feature, so that the light doesn't stay on all the time. But if I do press it, press it enough times to get to the channel that I want. I'm on channel 1 now. Channel 1 is the overhead doors on the west side. So they are presently open. I'm going to push the down button. And the down button brings the shades down. Again, this is channel 1, west. That means all these shades on the west. Now if I want to stop it, I simply push the up button and it stops the motion. Push the button opposite of what it's doing and it'll stop. So now I want it to go open. I can just push the up button. And now channel 1, or west doors, are now opening. Now then, we also have 4 buttons on the side. These 4 buttons are for percentage open, or closed. So if I want the shades 25% closed, I'll touch the top button. 50%, it's broken into 4 segments. So I'm going to hit the top button and you'll see the shades come down just a bit to about that first section of glass. And if I hit the second button, it goes down to the next section of glass a little bit beyond. There we go. And if you want a little more shade, hit the third button. It's coming on down a little bit. And I don't have to go in sequence here. I can go to any one of these at one time and it will jump to that position. So that's 4th position. It's not closed, but if I hit the down button now, it'll go all the way closed. So each channel has these 4 buttons, and likewise, the front, it'll close down 25%, 50%, 75%, and the same way with the east windows. So I'm going to open these back up, and I will send you a separate tutorial on the Elan touchscreen and Elan app control of the shades.